Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is at the airport.
Hello. Can you help? I want to find check-in.
Sure. Follow signs to the check-in desks.
Thanks. It's my first time flying.
Exciting. Where are you headed?
London for a friend's wedding.
Lovely. Check-in is this way. Need a hand?
That would be great. I'm a bit nervous.
No worries. Everyone is on their first flight.
I hope so. Is security check after this?
Yes, just follow the check-in, then security.
Got it. What time is your flight?
To Paris at 2 p.m. Yours?
London at 3 p.m. We're close.
Indeed. Have you been to London before?
No, it's my first time. Any tips?
Explore the landmarks. Buckingham Palace, Big Ben.
Sounds amazing. English is hard, though.
You're doing fine. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks. I try, but pronunciation.
Practice speaking with locals. They help.
I'll give it a try. How long is your stay?
3 days for the wedding. How about you?
A week. Want to explore and see the sights.
Nice. Maybe we'll bump into each other.
Maybe. Good luck with your flight.
You too. Safe travels to London.
Vocabulary. Help. Check-in. Flying. Exciting. Headed. Wedding. Nervous. Flight. Security. Follow. Signs. Explore. Landmarks. Pronunciation. Practice. Locals. Try. Stay. Week. Safe. Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.